The universe provides. A lot of people like to believe that, but when it doesn't work for them, they say, oh, this doesn't work. This is all some airy-fairy stuff. But the universe provides. It depends on the kind of words you use, the thoughts you have, how you manifest. You see, most people are energetically blocked. You got to move from an attitude and self-talk of, I want more money, I want more love, I want better relationships, I want more abundance, to I am receiving abundance. I am receiving better health. I am receiving love in my life. You see, the get attitude versus the receive attitude makes a huge difference. And when you unblock these energies that exist within you because of the words that you use, the way that you think, the limitations that you put in your mind, they're blocks. You first break the blocks and you be open to receiving. I am open to receiving what I deserve today, and a lot of it. Change your words and your thoughts.